Hi, Mr. Riyaz. How are you?
Good. Powerful.
Really, I go to inside in the Abu Dhabi Mall.
Very nice place.
This place is nice, but not too much. So it's problem for this place.
It's very good place, but
Not
too
using
much security.
too much security.
No, one time not remove mask.
No,
That's
no.
a very for one photo, one slow motion video making.
Yeah, really.
Anybody. Yeah,
Anybody.
Oh, we don't know. Any days
Security
removes mask.
Yeah, remove is problem, you know. It's
Avoid
corona,
mask.
right?
Avoid
And
mask.
also don't use to mobile too much there inside the take video now. So I am not talking too much inside, so I am stop, just little take the video, stop. MashaAllah. So feeling too happy there inside, but this outside is coming, khalas, his voice is open. So you told me open energy, so I put energy.
Any
What any?
any stuff, any dress purchase,
Okay.
any purchase to what सामान हिंदी इंग्लिश क्या बोलता है
Purchasing for product.
product, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, there is purchasing the.
What is
This road is the new Dubai, direct Dubai.
that?
Yeah, this road is using. Before don't have this road. They just complete this road now.
Complete?
Yeah.
That one.
2000 maybe it's 15. I will see just start now. 5 years is finished. Just is maybe.
Already finished?
I don't know. It's
Starting?
I don't know. It's complete or not complete. So you will see. It's working to labor. So I don't know. It's open or not open.
Now go to just
Somebody using this side, somebody not using. The special is using, normal is not using. See, not complete, not allowed. So we'll go this side now. Come on, this side. Don't to go this side. This may be same before Galleria Mall is coming now. So guys, today is very happy, me and also my friend. So too much take
Today-
the video.
Today
Yeah.
confirm eat Hyderabad biryani.
Okay, no problem.
Oh,
No problem.
confirm it. And food
You
including
you
this
try my country Pakistani food already, so I will try today Hyderabad biryani.
Aywa.
The taste check I will
I
taste.
forget this name. Hotel name.
Hotel name, no problem. But
exploring
but
today.
you will see, right?
After now go to Marina Mall and exploring, and
Okay.
after coming in here
Okay,
exploring Hyderabad biryani.
Hyderabad
Confirm,
biryani. Okay, no
inshallah.
problem. It's okay. So we'll see. This road is very nice area. But before using to Salam Street Road in Dubai, but this time shortcut. This shortcut.
So where are you going?
Short video. This direct go to Dubai.
Dubai?
Yes. This only used to Dubai area. So you will see don't too much car.
Yeah.
Somebody just coming good. Yeah.
My God, you tell me.
Come to this side. So little there is not too much hot. ਮੁੰਡਾ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਿਹਾ ਜੇ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੀਨਾ ਵਾਲੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਮੀਨਾ ਵਾਲੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਬਹੁਤੇ ਗਰਮੀ ਤੇ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਖੁਸ਼ ਕਰਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸ਼ੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਗਰਮੀ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਹਵਾ ਵੀ ਚੱਲੇਗੀ ਠੰਡੀ ਹਵਾ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਠੰਡੀ ਹਵਾ ਵੀ ਬਸ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਛੁੱਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਧੜੱਲੇ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਬਣਾਵਾਂ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਯਾਰ ਵੇਲੀ ਵੇਖੜ ਇਹ ਜੇ ਦੁਬਈ ਇਹ ਜੇ ਅਬੂ ਧਾਬੀ ਸਿਟੀ यार वीज़े बड़ी यारी आखिए कि वीज़े यार खुल जाने ने इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद तो लाई है पर 2-3 महीने हो गए ने फिलहाल तो इन्होंने अजकल विजिट तो खोले ने वो भी फैमिलियां दे जेडे दूसरे ने वो नहीं खोले तो इंशाल्लाह खोलणगे बस एक कोरोना की वजह तो कंट्रोल किया कि कोरोना किसी तरीके ना मुक जाए ना प्रॉपरली वो नहीं चाहते कि यार बाहरों आन तो काम फिर वज जाए फिर कारोबार क्योंकि बिजनेस से बड़ा फर्क पे है पहले हर शय बंद हो गई सी तो हुण माशाल्लाह स्टार्ट हुई है नॉर्मली हर चीज़ ओपन की थी ये महीना 2-3 हो गए ने पर लास्ट टाइम हर शय बंद की थी तो बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम तो सिक्योरिटी हर चीज़ हुण तक हर चीज़ तो फॉलो कर रहे कानून मास्क जोड़ा ना सिर्फ नक तो इत्थे थले होए ना इन्ना को और अगले की नज़र पै जाए तो 3000 पक्का ना तो 3000 3.5 दिरहम गिफ्ट समझ के दिन
Too
देने.
much video.
Yeah, too much video, but it's good
Come
na.
on, come on, come on.
So it's good. You talk also, no problem. So I use my mobile before last time go with you. your camera mobile is video but not uploaded. Just 2, 3, 4 weeks is finished. So it's better for this. It's clear to result clarity. See, mashallah.
Marina Mall not using bus, only walking.
No, Marina Mall using, but going to Mina. Mina is not mall.
Mina?
It's port. No.
Oh, so
Yeah.
Mina, not use bus.
It's going just there is Mina.
Mina?
Yeah, it's coming Mina. Yeah, too much hot, but using to bus is okay, no problem. But bus
No,
is not
walking is a good, but-
walking is a good, but bus also not used to mobile. Just see to building. So enjoy the movement, see, take the video. Good or no?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
But
They're using bus, so just
rail is a
think-
problem.
Yeah, using the bus, so not take the video, just thinking to what time going to there. Yeah. The other signal khalas start to Mina.
Boat ride, Mina, boat ride available.
Yes.
Huh?
For too much. So see offer, huh? Daily entrance offer.
Weekdays ID 9 dirham. Weekend ID.
Yes. Yeah, come here. This weekend only using here only the English.
Beach resort.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
90 dirham. Extend 90 dirham. Spending this one is free.
Yes. So what you thinking is a free?
Inshallah, no.
One day is-
After. No.
Here anything product
Anything
is
not
not for free.
give, not free.
Yeah.
Hard work and make sorry.
Make money.
Take a hard work.
Yeah.
Make a money, and
Money.
after go to any
Anywhere. Yes, yes.
any place, any person.
खलास यार इस तू मेरे कैमरे से पुत्र वीडियो आनी उन्हें केड़ा पागल तू फड़ लिया है एनी खलास वन टाइम यू टोल्ड मी खलास ओके एनी पुत्र वीडियो च अगले ने कहना किदे नाल टुर पिया ही ये चंगा ते नहीं लगदा ही so anybody to see in the restaurant, so too much laughing. Oh, Mr. Riyaz together. What is the name this? Maybe this construction is working same this area, no? You will see marhaba. I mean welcome, huh? Yeah. What you do?
തെലങ്കാണല്ലോ നല്ല ശരിക്കും നല്ല പ്ലേസ് ആണ്.
कोई समझ नहीं आ रही कि की बोलन डे ये मुंडा बाहर कहने जल्दी आए
How old in UAE? Yeah, you.
me 7 years finish
No, only one piece UAE.
7 years 7
7 years.
7 years
First working in you.
first
Yeah.
before 2013 14 I coming here 14
First working.
yes 14
40. No, you coming in UAE first time. Working first work.
first work in the Lebanese flower the store, you know,
The store.
storekeeping.
Storekeeping.
Yeah,
And
keep.
now working you?
What?
No.
This time in the restaurant is work in the restaurant. Waiter.
Waiter.
Yeah, take the order, making the order customer.
First slowly growth.
Growth,
And
yes.
take a hard work and
Yeah.
after you coming upset.
After, yeah.
അയ്യോ നമ്മൾ ഏത് സംഗതിക്കായാലും ഫസ്റ്റ് and how much month in you working storekeeper, how much month?
This 4 months.
4 month. And after
And
you,
then same company, but he will change me the restaurant field. So I already experience in my country.
restaurant you are working restaurant.
Yes. So before I have already experience in Pakistan. I work in there in Frangos Cafe now.
Frangos?
Frangos Cafe. my country, this restaurant.
okay.
So it's a big restaurant, not small, not same using here in UAE facilities.
Oh.
Yeah, so they,
Too much sale in here? Yeah?
yeah, it's normal. It's my country is normal. Minimum salary you are coming in my country. You hard working 20,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees.
And you 7 years in UAE holding.
Yeah.
And what any inspiration for me?
Really,
Inspiration for me.
for me, it's
For me and for my audience.
audience. So anybody to come here is starting to first hard working. Struggle to hard starting, and then inshallah one day is coming, you are very easy to hear. Not working here is not small work. This time I am very happy, I feeling too proud. So my work is not hard. So before he is coming, too much hard working. Let's go. So starting to work is hard.
അപ്പോൾ
Inshallah one day is coming, your future is changed.
അതാണ്
Inshallah.
ശരിക്കുള്ളത്. നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പോൾ എന്ത് പണിയെടുക്കുന്നു എന്നതിലല്ല കാര്യം, നമ്മൾ എന്താവും എന്നുള്ളതിലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കഷ്ടപ്പെടുക, അല്ലാതെ വേറൊരു നിവർത്തില്ല. എവിടെ ആയാലും കഷ്ടപ്പെടുക, നമ്മുടെ ആഗ്രഹങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ സാധിച്ചെടുക്കുക. വേറെ ഒരു പരിപാടി, വേറെ ഒരു വർത്താനം അതിലില്ല.
This side in the Mina side. No, what is the name this is street? I think this Mina street, right? So just coming this side in the Mina. Arjan Rotana. So last time he told me come to location Arjan Rotana. Yeah, here the all area is one hotel. मिस्टर फजल भाई ने आख्या ही वीडियो गुच्छो की चीज़ बनाओ तो अपलोड करो, टेंशन ट्यूशन कोई नहीं लेनी, वायरल असी करांगे। वो कहते ना फारियो की ट्रैक चढ़ानी है कि नहीं, ये फारियो तो चढ़ ही जानी है, वही गल आ जानी है कि फारियो तो चढ़नी तो इंशाल्लाह कर रहे हैं मेहनत, टाइम जरा लभ रहे है, कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इंशाल्लाह एक दिन आएगा तो फारियो तो चढ़ ही जानी है वीडियो। अज नहीं तो कल नहीं तो परसों नहीं तो कोई ना कोई दिन तो साड़ा भी आएगा ना इंशाल्लाह। अच्छा, सुबह बंदा उठते तो फ्रैश रहता है, दिमाग से बड़े आइडिया वगैरह आते हैं, की बोलना है, की करना है, की नहीं करना। ये टाइम दोपहर का टाइम हो गया तो हम ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਬਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਬੋਲੀਏ ਕੈਮਰੇ ਤੇ। ਇਹ ਕੁਦਰਤ ਦਾ ਨਿਜ਼ਾਮ ਹੈ ਭਾਜੀ, ਹਿੰਮਤ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਬੰਦੇ ਦੀ, ਇੱਕ ਲਿਮਿਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਬੋਲਣ ਦੀ ਵੀ, ਬੋਲਦਾ ਥੱਕ ਹੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਯਾਰ ਬਸ ਹੁਣ ਬਸ ਹੋ ਗਈ। ਤੇ ਜਜ਼ਬਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਘੁਮਾ ਫਿਰਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਵਰਨਾ ਇਹ ਬੱਸ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਬਸ ਚੜ੍ਹਨ ਦੀ ਦੇਰ ਤੇ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਬੂਹੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਲਾਣਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ।
Very expensive, 1.5 crore. Benz, Mercury.
Yeah, but this is government, na? You just only pay to 2 dirham and direct drop to your home. But this government.
Any rich people go into or 50 lakh or 70 lakh vehicle.
Yeah.
Pure people go into 1.6 crore vehicle. That's a rich man. Poor man always rich man.
Rich man, yeah. But this UAE all rich man, no? All the world is coming here. The Europe country, England, Australia, America, New Zealand.
Really. Whole country.
My country is thinking, I want to Europe. I want to go Canada. I want to go. It's my country. The people is thinking like that. So want to Europe country, not coming to. But Europe country want to Pakistan, want to UAE, travel to amazing place. So he already stay here, everything see. He want to the new
every day changing. UAE every day changing.
Yeah, the tourist time before is too much coming to here is tourist. Just is coming this corona 1 year, so all people stop not coming here. coming, but little. Not same before. Before I see every time. I see every time. No,
What is this?
Mina side port.
Looking.
This area. So we'll go like that. No, in the Cornish area. So before I will see every day too much tourist Englishmen, and this time is maybe is 1 week, 2 day, 3 day is coming in the outside. I will see Englishmen, no, English people. So now I go back in my country. So there is working. Sometime I use my video, will watch video. Oh, this time I work there in UAE, you know. Before I take picture, save my memory. But YouTube is good now. So I put YouTube. 50 years finish, 70 years finish. One day I will see watch. This my video.
Inshallah.
Yeah. So feeling too happy. Is old memory. Before country.
No, now
Take the video,
now we
not
are at
saving.
death. My video always watching.
You want to death? Okay.
No.
Oh my God.
Expecting, that's
Yeah.
right.
Yes, I
No,
know.
life. Today dead or tomorrow dead. Not talking. Not tell me.
Yeah, not proof.
Not
Yeah.
guarantee life.
Yeah, guarantee.
Not guarantee life.
Yes, I know. I understand.
No, not my see. Ya Rabbil Alameen.
Ya Rabbul Alamin. Maybe after 1 second.
This was very simple.
Yeah. This is government bus, no? So the drop in my home.
1.5 core.
1 point. Yeah, I understand. Too much bicycle. See, I don't know using for people or no.
You think one thing, you know one thing. This shop, this UAE, too much developing. But in this country using bicycle.
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 Yeah, using. Yeah, it's.
No, my country has only pure people only.
Yeah.
But not using bicycle. You know, I don't know. India not using only few people only using bicycle.
Yeah. Same.
I don't know. Pakistan, I
Same.
don't know. But Kerala, yeah, really.
My country also not using cycle. Before is too much people using.
Only one reason. Dubai or UAE not what talking English. What talking?
Yeah.
Kaitam. What talking? Malayalam Kaitam. Tell me.
Yes.
What talking? You know Kaitam?
I don't understand.
Kaitam means this one straight.
Straight.
That's
Yeah.
right, Krisha. What talking?
Slowly coming to growth up.
No.
What?
This one straight. This one land straight.
Straight.
But in Kerala or India too much.
Yeah, like swimming. Swimming. Up down.
Down. What English? What talking?
I don't know. Well, I don't to explain so better. But it's my country also.
Beach? This one beach?
No, this is for. Yeah, this start to beach the other side.
Sheikh Zayed bin Zayed bin.
Yes.
Port
See.
Zayed.
Yeah, this is a bridge is come.
Dubai.
So this time is 18-minute video. So it's coming 1 hour video. So I upload.
No, this is not watching what?
And you see height in the building. How many floor this building? How many floor this building?
I don't know, but it's very big building in Abu Dhabi. You know?
The last time I
No. World Trade Center.
World Trade Center. Yeah,
Big building.
big building.
In
The
Abu Dhabi, all Abu Dhabi.
Dubai Burj Khalifa. But
Burj Khalifa in world #1 building.
but this time is I think it start also in the where is starting? Saudi.
You looking one thing? This too much hot. No, only 2 people only walking only. No, no, only one or 3. Not very little.
Little.
Very little.
Change the side. So go this
Where is Marina? Too much walking
Yeah.
today.
Today too much working, right?
This one expecting Hyderabad biryani. Morning, evening, we are eating Hyderabad biryani.
Okay.
That's expecting walking. It's a good energy coming. That's right. Huh?
Yeah. Wallah, you are very crazy man now. Expecting to Hyderabadi biryani. Eat to chapati, you know, roti is very powerful roti. You eating to chapati roti, so this is too much protein now. Hyderabadi biryani. This is the bridge. और ये है ब्रिज सेकंड शिप के लिए जो अंडरग्राउंड जो जा रहा है. धूप काफ़ी तेज़ है, मैं आपको कैसे दिखाऊं, आंखें मेरी बंद हो रही. लगता है गिलास निकालने ही पड़ेंगे. चल कहते हैं ना, उसके लिए यूज़ नहीं करते, सिंपली यूज़ करते इसी तरह जाए. So we'll just go this side now. This is a wrong, this area.
Very hot.
Very hot to change to the side, no? So fast.
Salam.
Yeah, I know it's hot. You eating today Hyderabadi biryani. I know it's hot, but you eating already Hyderabadi biryani, so energy is powerful.
That's I already talking.
Already talking.
It's not any work time. You expecting, you are thinking, you are minding, and your dream thinking.
Yeah.
Any hard work, not easy. Yeah, easy always.
Yes, I know.
Pasara.
Yes,
You confirm changing.
Confirm changing.
You take you spending your gadget.
What gadget?
Gadget means this one vlog gadget.
Vlog.
Vlog gadget.
Okay.
This camera is a gadget.
Gadget, okay. So I will try, no problem. Don't worry. This side. Oh my God.
I spend what talking. I sitting 4 time in AC. This 1 time sunlight. I am dark. 4 month sitting AC room.
Yeah.
And only 4 months AC, 1 day sunlight. Khalas. My coming black.
Your color is black. Yeah, I know. But it's my color is original Pathan, you know.
My color?
So you don't thinking for me. You thinking I am why coming to sunlight is coming to red color. So it's my original color already. It's my how do I explain you? So don't thinking with me.
I want little video. Okay?
Okay, no problem.
What talking?
The speaker he using to telephone inside.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, Porsche. I want one photo. You take one photo?
I already too much take photo. Come. Wala, it's too much of. So today is plane to Mina, so going to Mina. Direct go, not stay to in the road. Direct go in the Mina, and then after 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock come back. What time your mobile?
My phone already switch off.
Switch off. Switch off. So it's my mobile is nice, not switch off. It's long time take video.
What is this opinion? Your phone, no? Your mobile number? Your mobile name?
Redmi 9 Pro.
Redmi 9 Pro. Good charging?
Yeah, good charging. You will see. How is the morning?
No, not camera. You using internet?
Yeah.
How long? One battery charging. How long take? No.
Take
what
it.
Okay. One time mobile charging.
For
Listen.
I use Wi-Fi. So it's minimum time, 14 hour, 12 hour.
40?
Yeah, 14 hour.
40?
Regular using, regular.
40 hours.
14, 14.
40? 1/4.
Yeah,
1/4?
1/4.
One-
Yeah, 14 hour. So this is good. You use to any mobile.
Ah.
So coming to loss, you are charging, you know. But this mobile is battery charging. You don't use to Wi-Fi, don't use to internet.
Ah.
So we'll do that. So it's working 3 day, 4 day. Not finish charge.
This one, you talking this mobile is very good.
Very good.
Eh?
Yeah, also
How much price in your mobile?
this 850 dirham like that many, but it's not expensive. Small money, normal.
Yeah, I asking Lacoste, one dress, one T-shirt. Talking?
Yeah.
800 rupiah.
Yeah.
One mobile, only 800.
Well, 800. Yeah. Yeah. Azan, no azan. अजान हो रही है थोड़ी देर के लिए. So
Very rich people house.
yeah, it's a local family, no?
Okay.
Yeah, local. Using to local family. So taxi is waiting for you for me. No, it's drove the. Today you thinking I'm too much walking. You are coming to third. You off today, sure? Yeah, take the rest today. Is go in the night. So
Right?
good sleeping. Yeah.
Eating Hyderabad biryani
Yes.
after 1 hour or 2 hours.
Energy. It's coming to energy.
No, I don't interesting Hyderabad biryani eating. But
Yeah.
Ashraf told me it's very tasty. Too much mutton piece. Too much rice. Very tasty. This express. Now go to hotel.
So same me before I go together in the Jafri restaurant. So you order chicken biryani and I order mutton biryani, right? So too much your plate chicken and rice. Not expensive. Only how many dirham? 12 dirham. My
And
14.
beef biryani 12
13 or
Chicken
14?
biryani
No,
12
no. No, chicken biryani 12 and the mutton and 14. Yeah, 14 dirham, yes. So not expensive now. Why you do like that my mobile? So my mobile is too much weight, no? High. Not.
No, this one have bar.
Yeah, I understand, but its weight also high.
You take one. Hungry.
So this time allowed to YouTube also video short, no? 1 minute, 20 second, 30 second allowed, yeah?
Confirm. You editing. You editing. My editing. You video. Instagram. What talking? Kind master.
Yeah.
Editing. No problem. Only 1 hour finish.
Yeah, I know.
But watermark available.
Okay.
What you know watermark?
Watermark this
Watermark
using to
means,
laptop using.
Kind master. You video.
Yeah, I know. But this software you using to laptop, KineMaster in mobile using, no problem.
लैपटॉप करती हैं too much time हुआ.
Yeah, take the time, right. Mobile too easy. So why I take the video in mobile?
It's a very trick. Very good.
ISC.
Good trick.
Okay.
Where is that?
Very sunless. So will you check in the, after 1 month? Sunlight, so it's too much.
GoPro Hero है nice. Okay.
Okay.
Don't forget.
What?
GoPro Hero
Yeah,
nice.
GoPro. Yeah, I plan, but I will see next month and
You
after.
half money
Yeah.
spend.
Spending. Yeah, I know. Mascara.
Come on.
Go to this side.
What?
There,
You know
corniche.
what? You know what talking?
What talking?
You wonder you
This
you,
side is a cord.
you know this place go to route. You know route?
Route.
Huh? You don't know route?
What
Route
road?
means-
Road.
Road no route. Route
route.
means map. You know map?
Yeah, map.
Going.
Too much bus here is stop, no? This parking or what? So this start area port, no? So little fast on this side by road crossing. So little fast, so try to cross. See too much for me. Yes, of course. और ये हम पहुंच गए मीना पर. आपको यहाँ की खूबसूरत नज़ारा यहाँ का बड़ी दिखाएंगे.
Good.
सो हमारे साथ रहिएगा. ये एपिसोड जो है यहाँ पर इख्तिताम करता है और इसको बंद करने लगे और स्टार्टिंग नया शुरू करते हैं आपसे. अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व
Next
बरकातुहू.
video.